Hey guys, welcome to Tools in 2, where we create tool reviews in 2 minutes or less to help your buying decisions. Today we're looking at the Fireball Tool Minion squares. These are welding squares that can be used for positioning steel as you're getting ready to weld it, or aluminum, whatever you're going to weld. I use these fairly frequently for some of the setups I do, making things for the kids, making things around the garage, just anything I want to make square and true. These are super helpful. As you'll see, kind of two sides to them. This is kind of the inside, the hollow side, flat side. These are nice machined flat. In this case, these are cast iron. You can get them in aluminum as well. This color finish isn't available anymore, but you can get a black oxide on the cast iron that works pretty well. You'll see all these weird little inserts, looks funny, but that's so you can get a clamp in there and go through all these. See my hand for size reference. These are 6-inch tall, 4-inch wide, 1.5-inch thick. Usable for a lot of pieces here. You can kind of see, well, you can see this one's been used. I was welding right up against that. But really useful. This is a matching pair. That's how they come. I like this size because it's usable, it's storable, but it's not quite big enough for certain things. Look for the other square. There's mega squares, different sizes available. I'm going to be doing a review on another one here in a moment. But overall, love this piece. Really well made. Jason over at Fireball Tool does a beautiful job designing these, making them useful. And these are all threaded little holes. So you can put little tabs on so you can be able to use this side as a reference as well. If you want to have something line up across the top, you can do that. You can stack these, and once in a while when I'm welding, I might not need to square something up. I'm just going back and finish welding these, and I'll pull these around and just use it as a reference so I can put the torch there and get some better control. So super handy for that as well. I keep them right in my welding table and something I use all the time. Jason does a great job. Great value on these as well. I would give these a 10 out of 10 all day. Nice work.